Hello guys, once again in today's video I'm going to share with you the information how to customize your own preference oriented columns inside Primavera P6. This is the series of Primavera P6 learning. Before getting into the details, I would request you people to subscribe this channel and make sure that you share this link with your fellows as well so that they can get benefit out of this video. So I will take you on Primavera P6 dashboard. It is quite amazing feature of Primavera P6 once you are working as a planning engineer. So this is called user defined columns, right? So I can take you on enterprises. If you can click, you will get this drop down window. Here you can find here user defined fields, as it is very obvious from the name. User defined fields, it means user like you, me, any other person who is going to use Primavera P6. Primavera P6 have two kind of categories of columns. One are the optimized ones. If you are going to click on this option, all these options inside like actual, at completion, these are formula oriented. If you are going to spread out, assign any data in Primavera P6, automatically those columns are going to take the inputs and going to show that data within Primavera P6 across different kind of formats. But user defines are not like that. This is something we want to ask Primavera P6 to show that data like quantities, like any risk oriented indicators. So if I can, first we need to understand how to activate. So click on enterprises, user defined fields, and there are different kind of options for activities formats, activity resource assignments, activity steps, issues, project expenses, projects, resources, and many other options as well. For now, I am more interested to get you on activities. I will select one of those options and click on this add button. Let's say I want Primavera P6 to just show BOQ quantities against every single activity or man hours or anything which is not inbuilt in Primavera P6. So here we are, BOQ quantities, right? And once I'm going to give that feedback, it will be alphabetically downside of, see this one, BOQ or BOM. So here I will be setting up the data type, right? There are kind of 6 data types. Either I can show the cost, finish date, indicator, integer, number, start date, or text if I want to write anything, right? So in this specific scene, I can just click on this number. Now close. Okay, and this is done. Now in the next option I will click on this columns option, and on the bottom side area you can find this user defined. Here this BOQ quantity which I have just created, and it is shown up over here under the columns user defined. I can move like this one and here against the activity, and that's how we can activate. So now here I can just make sure that inside these activities, like how much the quantity, how I selection of vendors, this is the general procedure. So something like that, PLR foundation, and you see this one I can make like 12, and I can also add unit of measurement along with this, that which unit is being given to this activity the same way. And if I can show you one more thing over here under user defined for the risk and all that, which I have already, and for the risk I can show you user defined. Here add risk, I write, and this is already existing, but this time see indicator. And if I can close it again, get into the columns user defines quickly, I can sure that you can get it in quick pace now as well. So risk, where is the risk? I guess yes, this one, right? Activity apply. Okay, so I can also implement my risk management, something like that. So because I have labeled it as indicator something, this is risky, this is okay. That is how these user defined columns can perform their work very beautifully and a fantastic way. So before signing off this video, I would request you people to expert on these features of Primavera P6. Before that, you should make this thing very sure that all these series should be in a sequential way. And as long as it concerns with your expertise in real project based understanding, you can write down in the comment area about this effort, that how much it is adding value in your learning, and mention your project as well. And if you want to learn these things as per your real project based documentation processes, and you want to pass certain job interviews, you can contact with my team or write in the comment area to get more feedback. Thank you very much.